Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I will show you guys how to make Eris, a brand new paper airplane that locks together and flies just great. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. You will need a 20 by 20 centimeter piece of paper, but any square paper will work. Alright, begin by bringing the right corner to the left. Unfold and bring the left corner to meet the right. Unfold and bring the right edge to meet the left edge. Bring the top edge to meet the bottom edge. Collapse the folds along the existing creases. Now fold the edges to meet the center crease. Unfold those and reverse them. Fold the bottom point to meet the top point. Flip the layer over and reference crease 1 inch down. Using that crease, pinch the wings and swing them outward. Do the same on the other side. Tuck the flaps under the plane's fuselage. Fold the top point down and tuck it under the layers. Flip the paper over and collapse the paper as far as it will go. Now what you want to do is swivel fold the paper as shown to make the back swept wings. Tuck these flaps below the layers. Using that 1-inch reference crease, jet fold the paper by pinching on the plane's fuselage. Flatten it out and fold the wings. Reverse fold the tail fin up. Now you have a finished paper jet. Now all there's left to do is make the locking mechanism. Fold a triangle in the back part of the plane and then tuck it under the plane's fuselage. There you go, you have a finished Eris paper airplane. Enjoy!